Right, so back here on Hazel. She's over there. Amy's still here. But back here on Hazel, first order of business is getting the evaporator core that Gary pressure tested and everything was good to go. That's all handled and done. It's back in. It's getting this back in its housing. Get that put together. Get the cover back on the front here. All that shenanigans reassembled. And then we can go from there. So once we get that back together, gotta route my wires too out the edge over here. Gotta latch all our stuff, get that done. Then we can put this back in with the hoses, put the new expansion valve on. And hopefully by end of day, we will have nice cold AC. All right, well, it fought me and I may or may not have smashed my finger a time or two. Did get all the clips back on. So we have that going for us. And then we're gonna put our mounting brackets back. We're gonna get our controls and grills back on, and then this box will be ready to go back in the car. Probably gonna take the car over to my shop to do that so I have help, but car runs, car drives. Car's in good shape, good car. So, getting this together, and there is our completely reassembled underdash unit. Nice. All right, we'll load this up, take it to the shop. I need to go back to the shop in my truck first and get Bernsey so he can drive my truck back so I can drive the car back.